Hi there, welcome back. So today I got this 2012 Ford Transit Connect XL. So my thermostat was leaking. This is all the housing right here. Leaking to this side. You can see it a bit wet. This side here. So it's my first time doing this thermostat on this kind of vehicle. So I didn't sure what tools to select on those things. So I have to take my time and get to it. So I have to remove the mount, the coolant reservoir, that's it right there, on the pump. So this is a power steering pump. You have to remove that away first. It's a bit tricky to get out. Also the mount is right there, the motor mount. Let me show you guys. So this is the motor mount. Selection of different tools. Some more gloves that I use. Some rags on the flashlight. So the pump, it carries some 10 bolts. So that's one right there. Two. Let's see. And there's one inside of here. So it's got 4 bolts. Also need a flat pan screwdriver. This is a 8 with a swivel joint right there, 8 socket millimeter. So to get out the bolt out of the front of the housing, the thermostat, you have to remove it from the front. So you have to, it's a bit tight, so you have to take your time and make a few turns with the hands to get it out. Right there, guys. So you go in that hole. The other one, you can easily get it from this side. So as you can see right here, set like this. So this is the easiest one right here. This is the second easiest. That's the one down the bottom. You have to take it from the front. It's a bit difficult, guys. But if you have this tool, you can use it. Take a look on it, guys. Take a good look. It's a ratchet handle. So guys, also need a 10 wrench to help pull out the pump, power steering pump. That's it right there, guys. So this is the box it comes in. See if there's a part number. So I guess that's the part number right there, 51295. Get it at auto zone, guys. Thermostat. Alright guys, so I hope this video help you all out there to get to your car. So I should show you the this socket I used to remove the mount. This is 15. This is, I used to remove the mount also with the extension. And also there are other bolts you have to remove. Let's see. Alright, so these are the bolts, 15, and these are 18mm nut. Remove from the mount as well. So 15 and 18, guys. There you go. So that's all the bolts I removed from it on the mount. These are some 10 removed from the thermostat, guys. That's it right there. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.